Hi all, this is Mrs. Pavitravanshi, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology. So in this series, I'm going to continue with the next topic with the introduction of business research. So now we have seen two types of decision making scenarios. The next is now how will the manager's dilemma will be? Yes. Okay. We have seen two scenarios. One is like it is regarding to the manager, a full service restaurant, of a full service restaurant. Like uh, the customer's feedback is like a friendly manner has been down, so the doors are changing for the customers. In this case, we have done a basic research, like we have collected the feedback from the customers and we have given some solutions like changing the waiter or a waitress, or maybe the character of a waitress can be changed by a friendly manner, through a friendly manner, or some basic DJs and Wi-Fi connections can be done like that. The second scenario is like the color splash. So where a paint manufacturer is having a trouble in maintaining profits. So in this case, where when we have when we have a proper own warehouse with us, we can maintain the profits. Where owner believes there might be a proper inventory management can be done in the own company. But here, in the real life situations, managers' dilemma are not always clearly defined. Maybe I'm in a dilemma where it can be done or it cannot be done like that, and another managers will be this can be done or this cannot be done. So it depends upon the situations. So, but in the real life situations, as they tell, managers' dilemma are not always clearly defined. So, in the case of the color splash, the second scenario, the manager could have faced with any of the following other situations, like inventory delivered to retail or wholesaler customers. It can be done. Instead of keeping a warehouse with us, we can deliver the inventory or the stocks to the retail and wholesale customers. This one of the solutions can be done. The second one, develop a new paint formula. Very obvious. Only when we do a formula for a new paint color, we can do it, because the types of paints, the containers, everything. Entirely new inventory model designed to suit color splash. And i- if at all, we can do it an entirely a new inventory model which can be designed, which is suiting the color splash company. So this is what actually the real life situations can be done with the manager's dilemma. Now, what is research? Literally, we say research as hyphen search. So that means it is search again. Yes. So research can be defined as a search for knowledge, as a systematic investigation with an open mind. Yes. So it is actually a search for knowledge. We are searching it for a knowledge, and it is a systematic investigation. It is not just an investigation. It should be a systematic investigation with an open mind for what? To establish novel facts, solving new and existing problems, prove new ideas it can be done, and maybe you can develop new theories, usually using a scientific method. So we usually use a scientific method of basically like a Microsoft Excel or SPSS statistic package for social science, Tableau. You can use Tableau. You can use Python. Okay, so like research is like we can when we do some analysis, we are getting a report. We are generating a report with it, with the help of coding, etc. So this is what actually research is. So it is actually a systematic investigation, like a um, if at all, you can use noble facts also. You can use to prove new ideas, solving new or existing problems. Usually with new theories can be done, like in during our schooling we might use for, I mean, we might learned about the physics, chemistry, laws, everything. Theory can be different types of theories, Maslow's theory, in economics, everything. So this is how actually it works with the basic what is research. So, to be very frank, research is to be researched. So, search it again and again. If at all we want a proper solutions to the problem which is being raised, and a proper solution can be given, and it can, if at all, if it is executed properly, the problem can be resolved by the way of research. Yes, thank you.